Hello there, it is Dr. Fern and You Medicine Woman are here if you want a life you absolutely love. So one of my older patients, he was 80 and we were in the middle of a full mouth rehab for him. That's because he wanted it. And he was working non-stop still up until he was 80. And anyway, we called him today to see how he's going because he'd been in Germany for the last few months with his wife. And his wife told us that he had suddenly just passed away. His heart gave away all of a sudden. And it was a huge shock and a surprise to them all. And he'd always used to joke with us, he's a very quirky character, and whenever he was in the clinic with us, which was very recently for a lot of the time, he used to joke, I better have these teeth when I die. I better get some use out of them because I could just die and I could just drop dead tomorrow. And we all used to have a bit of a laugh over it. And the truth be told, that is what happened. So it's a little timely reminder for us all, and particularly for all of us staff at the clinic today, to not sweat the small stuff, to realise that life sometimes it's just a breath with for us, and we don't even know what's going to happen tomorrow. So if we spend all our time stressing and worrying and spiraling and creating problems out of tiny, tiny little things, then you're wasting your time, you're wasting your life, and tomorrow you don't even know what your future would hold. And we forget that we're mortal beings, and it's because that we're mortal beings that's what makes life so rich. Because if we could be immortal, we wouldn't appreciate life that much. So this is a shout out to you that anything can happen, and don't sweat the small stuff, because you want to know that you've lived and that you've loved and that you've made some type of legacy or inspiration to people around you, and that's what matters most. So don't sweat the small stuff, don't sweat the businessy stuff. Everything is figure-outable. Just start to live life and live it on your terms. Do what you want with your one life that you have. That's my daily dose of Dr. Fern. If you like what you hear, share this with your friends on Facebook. And remember to keep laughing out loud. It is the second best thing you can do with your mouth.